The jar that changed my mind. 3 years. Same glass jar, no soil, no fertilizer, no fancy setup. And here's the strange part. I once ignored it for over a month. No water change, no attention, nothing. Instead of dying, it pushed out 2 glossy new leaves. That's when I realized something most gardeners don't talk about. Some indoor plants don't just survive in water, they actually prefer it. If you hate messy soil, fungus gnats, heavy pots, or back pain from repotting, this might completely change how you garden indoors. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful indoor plants that grow beautifully in just water. And number 6, it multiplies so fast, you may never need to buy that plant again. Let's start with the easiest one on earth. Number 1, Pothos, the unstoppable vine. If indoor plants had a beginner championship belt, Pothos would hold it forever. This plant is nearly impossible to mess up. Here's how to grow it in water. Cut a healthy vine just below a node, that little bump where leaves grow. Remove the bottom leaf, place the node in water. Done. Roots usually appear within 7 to 10 days. What makes Pothos special in water is this: it doesn't rot easily, it tolerates low light, and it adapts fast. One long vine can be cut into 8, even 12 pieces. Each piece becomes a brand new plant. That means one plant can fill your entire house. Pet note: Pothos is toxic to cats and dogs. Keep it somewhere high. Number 2, Lucky Bamboo, the clean desk hero. Here's something surprising. Lucky Bamboo isn't actually bamboo. It's a Dracaena, but it has been grown in water for centuries. You've seen it in offices, restaurants, maybe even hospitals. Why? Because it thrives in low light and minimal care. Keep the roots submerged about 1 inch. Change the water every 2 to 3 weeks. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight. If your tap water is heavily chlorinated, use filtered or distilled water. It grows slow, steady, elegant, and it looks expensive even when it's not. Pet-friendly? Yes. Number 3, Spider Plant, the baby factory. If you want free plants forever, this is it. Spider plants grow babies on long stems. Those little dangling mini plants, they're ready-made clones. Snip a baby, drop the base in water, roots appear in about a week. Within a month, you'll have a full plant. One mother plant can produce 20 to 30 babies a year. It's also one of the safest indoor plants, completely pet-friendly. And honestly, cats love playing with those dangling babies. Number 4, Philodendron, the glossy showpiece. If you love heart-shaped leaves and graceful trailing vines, this plant is for you. Philodendron has a natural shine to its leaves. They look polished, almost waxy, like they've been designed for modern interiors. And here's the best part. It roots in water almost as easily as Pothos, but visually, it feels more refined, more intentional, more designer. Here's how to propagate it. Cut just below a node, that small bump on the stem where roots will form. Remove the lower leaf if needed, place the cutting in room temperature water, and set it in bright, indirect light. Within a couple of weeks, you'll start seeing delicate white roots forming. Over time, those roots thicken and the leaves begin pushing out new growth. Now listen carefully. Never use cold water. Cold water can shock the cutting, slow down rooting, and stress the plant. Room temperature water is always safer, especially in winter. Once established, growth is smooth, steady, and incredibly elegant. It's the kind of plant that looks good in a simple glass jar, on a bookshelf, or cascading from a high floating shelf. But one important reminder: Philodendron is toxic to cats and dogs. So, if you have pets, keep this beauty somewhere they can't reach. Number 5, Coleus, the color explosion. Now this one is special. Most people think colorful plants are high maintenance. Coleus proves them wrong. It roots faster than almost anything on this list, And in water, it develops thick, healthy roots quickly. Here's the twist. The brighter the light, the more intense the color. Purple, deep red, hot pink, even almost black shades. In low light, it fades to green, but in bright, indirect light, it becomes living artwork. Pet-friendly? Yes. Number 6. Tradescantia, the fastest grower I've ever seen. This plant grows like it's in a race. Purple, silver, green striped leaves, vines that cascade beautifully from jars. Cut one stem, put it in water, roots appear within days. And here's the magic. Every time you trim it, you create another plant. In 6 months, one cutting can become an entire wall display. Minimal care, bright indirect light, change water every 2 weeks. Generally pet safe, though chewing too much may cause mild irritation. Number 7. Chinese Evergreen, the low-light king. Now let's talk about the plant for darker rooms. Chinese Evergreen is incredibly tolerant. Low light? Fine. Inconsistent watering? Fine. Beginner mistakes? Still fine. It may take 3 to 4 weeks to root, but once established, it becomes extremely low effort. Its leaves are stunning. Silver patterns, deep green veins, even pink varieties. If you struggle with lifting soil bags or just want easy gardening, this plant makes it possible again. But keep it away from pets. It is toxic. Number 8. Peace lily, the bonus surprise. And here's a bonus. Peace lilies can adapt to water too. Yes, the same plant that dramatically droops when thirsty. To transition, gently wash all soil off the roots. Place in clean water. Keep roots submerged but the crown above water. It may take time to adjust, but once it does, it can even produce white blooms in water. Toxic to pets, so place carefully. How to keep water plants healthy. Quick guide. Water plants grow easily, but no soil doesn't mean no care. Follow these 4 golden rules. Use clean glass containers so you can see root health clearly. Change the water every 2 to 4 weeks. Fresh water means fresh oxygen. Keep plants in bright, indirect light. Avoid overheating the water. If roots become slimy, rinse gently under lukewarm water. Trim mushy parts and refresh the jar. Optional, add very diluted liquid fertilizer once a month, about 1/4 strength. Never over-fertilize. Too much can burn water roots. And that's it. No soil, no heavy pots, no fungus gnats, no messy repotting. Just clean water, simple maintenance, and beautiful roots you can actually watch grow. Why water growing feels different. There's something calming about it. You can see the roots grow. You can watch the system develop. It feels clean, minimal, peaceful. Perfect for small apartments, busy people, or anyone who wants greenery without the workload. Outro. 1 jar is enough to start. You don't need a greenhouse. You don't need expensive pots. You don't even need soil. All you need is a cutting, a glass jar, some water, and a window. Start with 1 plant. Just 1. Because sometimes 1 cutting becomes 7, and 7 becomes a house full of living green art. Now tell me, which one are you trying first? If this helped you, don't miss my next video. You must never plant bell peppers without doing this first. Bigger fruits guaranteed. Click watch next and let's double your harvest. And don't forget to subscribe for more low-effort, high-reward gardening ideas. I'll see you in the next one.